If you want the best security package for your Range Rover like this one behind me, then this video is for you. Welcome John Cleese Car Audio's YouTube channel. Bit of a different environment standing around today. We're actually at our local Land Rover dealership because this car was actually brought to us straight from Land Rover themselves. Hasn't even actually been to the customer yet. Customer's not even seen the car. Ordered it, bought it, and rang up and said, I want security because I want to keep this Range Rover on my driveway at night. So you're going to ask how we've done that. Now there's many products to secure your car. I won't bore you with everything. Auto Watch Ghost being one of them. Pandora Security being the other. They feature on our channel a lot. This video is about the Pandora Elite system, which is top of the range alarm system. I'm going to give you a few demonstrations on how it's protecting this Range Rover, starting from the beginning. How do you stop the thieves getting in your car in the first place? Obviously, you've got the option just to turn off keyless entry, but how many of you actually want to do that? It's a very good, convenient item to have on your car to use, so not everyone wants to actually physically turn it off. So, I'm going to show you how the Pandora stops people from getting in the car once they have a Pandora fitted. This Elite comes with a identity tag, just like so. Little keyring attachment, which goes on your keys or on your person at all times. There's the customer's keys. And then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put this little Pandora key tag in this Faraday pouch, which is going to block the signal given from the tag. I'm going to count to about 8 to 9 seconds. And I'm going to go up to the keyless entry button, which is situated just here, and I'm going to push it. Now what you would expect if you own a Range Rover, but if you don't own one, the door handles would normally fold out by now and you can open it. They won't fold out because the tag has not been seen by the Pandora in the car. And also, factory buttons on the key. One key, oh wait, I've got the spare key, another one. The car will not unlock, meaning that unlike other security systems like the Ghost, which doesn't actually stop them from getting in the car in the first place, which they'll stop them from taking it, but it won't stop them from doing any, I don't know, damage once they're in the car, once they realise they can't get it. You know what thieves can be like, they're petty. Obviously they're robbing cars to begin with. This actually stops the thief getting in the car in the first place, which is the first and foremost way of nicking your car, is getting in. Now, if they get in any other manner, like cutting a hole in the back tailgate, which you may have seen on the videos, or any other way, then the Pandora still protects against that. And I'll give you a quick explanation on how they do that. I'm going to take the keys out of the pouch now. I'm going to count to roughly 8 seconds again while it re-establishes the connection to the vehicle. I'm going to push the button. The door handles are going to open like that, and now I can actually get in the car and start the car up. Oh. Now you may be asking how it also stops the car from being stolen. So that obviously stops them from even getting in the car in the first place, which is the most priority. But what it will also do is it immobilises at multiple points on the vehicle to stop the car from being physically taken. So for example, it will immobilise the actual start-stop button in the middle here. So if the tag is not with you at all times, then actually the start-stop button will not work. There's another additional immobilisation cut elsewhere in the vehicle as well. So should they manage to get in here while the alarm's going off because they've broken in some other way, opened a door, cut a hole out, the alarm's going to be going off. Even if they were to find the alarm brain in the vehicle, then the additional immobilisation module is actually wirelessly elsewhere in the vehicle, meaning that even if they get one part of the Pandora removed, the vehicle still won't start. It's fully secure with not one, but 2 immobilisation points, plus the immobilisation stopping them from getting in the car in the first place. Okay, that technology, which stops them from getting in, is called Key Guard. It's not actually built into the Pandora, it's an addition on it. Now, if someone was to get in, we've also fitted a movement sensor, which my colleague's going to have to come around the other side of the vehicle to film this, because it's actually just here. Now my colleague Max just got in the car, just above my head here. We've actually put an interior movement sensor in. So for example, they managed to, I don't know, get into the vehicle somehow without opening a door, and obviously the Range Rover system hasn't gone off either, then this Pandora sensor here is actually a PIR. This detects any movement. So if they were managed to get in somehow without triggering a door or smashing a window, then any movement inside the car is actually going to set the alarm off as well. Just an additional, not a massive requirement because most cars have interior movement sensors anyway, but it's just an extra additional layer of security our customer wanted to go for. Now, this is an alarm system as well, so naturally you're going to get a siren that will go off as soon as the door is opened. The good deterrent that was also good to have is some kind of flashing logo or LED to say it's got an alarm system, because most factory systems don't, and factory systems unfortunately do not stop your car from being stolen, hence why you're watching this video in the first place. We're on the windscreen just here, which is the most subtlest position on the Range Rover. We've installed it's basically an aerial for the Pandora, picks up the the two-way remote that the system also comes with. But what it also does, which is the main reason we've put it here, is it actually flashes Pandora in red at night time, meaning like the car that thieves know Range Rovers aren't going to have that on the windscreen if it's standard. But if they've got that, they see the logo. Most thieves are quite savvy to security systems on the market. If they see a brand that they know and recognise, like, you know, Clifford, Pandora, AutoWatch, generally speaking, they're not going to try. That's all you're trying to do. You're trying to deter them from unfortunately stealing your car and taking another one that isn't protected, that someone has gambled. So it's all about deterrence. And if they can see that and they can't amplify your key via relay attack and get in through the car, chances are they're not even going to bother going further and trying to steal your car, because they haven't been able to get in through the normal keyless entry thing. They see a LED, they're probably not going to try. But as I mentioned earlier, even if they try doing other ways of entry, like smashing a window or cutting a hole in the tailgate, which you may have seen already, then they're not actually going to be able to take the car anyway, because the Pandora has Immobilisation physical cut. So even if they have the keys I showed you, they can't steal this car. It's an extremely good security system. That is a system we've installed, Pandora Elite version 2. It's very good. It also links up to your mobile phone if you want to have this sort of functionality. You've got obviously the Range Rover app you can also use. That's normal. That all still works as standard. But what you've also got is an app on your phone which will give you the status of the vehicle, you know, whether it's disarmed, whether you've accidentally left your car unlocked. It's also a basic tracker as well. You may not again use that because you've got the In Control or Pivi Pro system on your Range Rover. But the main thing about the Pandora is it's a lot quicker at alerting you when your car alarm's going off than the Range Rover system. So when the car alarm goes off, you'll generally get a phone call within 20 seconds, more likely less than that, to tell your alarm's going off. So you're going to get an early warning. I have had reports that the Range Rover system's a little bit slow on the network side of it. So again, because it's using the 4G system on the Pandora, it's extremely quick at letting you know when your car's being tampered with. And it's a lot to take in what I'm explaining right here, but this is the best security system out there. It's not an AutoWatch Ghost. It's like the best one you can buy at the moment. But the final thing I really want to finish this video with is the extra security measures should the worst happen. So your keys are stolen, your Pandora tag's stolen, hell, even if your phone's stolen, you can actually, as long as you've got the phone number logged in either your mobile or your other half's phone or any phone, or your number stored in your head of what the phone number of the car is, you can ring this Pandora system and remotely turn it off wherever it is in the world, obviously subject to network service. So it's extremely good. You've got autonomous control of your car. You can control it. And that is the final piece I want to say on this Pandora system. It is the best security system right now. You can go for the AutoWatch Ghost as well, which we also do. Very popular product. But if you want the best, this is the system to have. My name is Connor. We are at Jaguar Land Rover dealership up the road with a delivery mileage Range Rover 2025 reg. And it's actually February 28th. This car's not even allowed on the road yet. And we've installed the best security system available right now. My name is Connor. Got Max behind the camera. Matt, who installed it at our workshop, and all the team at John Cleese Car Audio. Have a good day. See you later.